What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Old School RC here. So first things first, sorry about the viewing of this where I am out of town. I just got this delivered and I figured I'd get an unboxing video going up and then I can kind of play with it a little bit. So today we have an unboxing of the GooSky Legend S1 RTF helicopter. So GooSky has been making headlines recently, doing pretty good from what everybody has been saying. Nice high quality. I did go ahead and get the pink version in the RTF. Let's go ahead and get the box open. Of course, it's going to be a little bit of a fun time right now. There we go. Sorry about that. All right. First things first, what's really nice about them is they have this nice little foam case that they give you. Nice little carrying case, protective case. So first things first, there's the ready to fly transmitter in there. Over here, got that. Charging adapter, it looks like. Their fail of a spare parts kit from my understanding. A little instruction manual. Got a battery shoved down there. And then here is the helicopter. Battery inside too. Super nice construction. Feels like this thing is gonna fly amazing. And then the transmitter, which actually, for the price of this thing, it doesn't feel half bad. Well, there we go. There's the unboxing of the GooSky S1. I have an S2 on the way, so we'll get a comparison video, also an unboxing video of that. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. Like, subscribe.